Hello traders, investors, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to follow up with the BTC USDT. Actually, as you can see here, it was an amazing day today, even though today is Monday, which is a day that I don't usually trade on. um, but I just wanted to share this with you so that you can get some information and some stuff off of it. Actually, if you saw my previous videos, I was talking about when the price was here, was just trying to form. I set two main targets. If the price goes under or beneath the moving average 57 and the major trend lines that I drew, and for that, those are for the 1 hour chart, and these minor trend lines are for the 15-minute chart. So I said that if the price breaks out and goes down, that should certainly go down to this level at least. And I set this level as a main target, which is the target one. And the price actually uh, the market made a fake out. So instead of going directly or continually to this level, it started playing around and made this squeeze reaction, showing the strength of the bears who were really present in the market. The volume was not significant right here. That's why there was no momentum, real momentum. The standard deviation showed us that uh, uh, reality of the move. And after the market got enough momentum, the price went down and the volume started getting higher, and the standard deviation also showed us that move, that real move was happening. That is why the market went down and hit our targets. That was, as I said, during the Asian session. That session is normally a very strong session to trade. I normally don't trade on the Asian session because in our time is too late. So I don't trade midnight our time. That move happened after midnight. So during the U.S. opening, the American session, so the price arranged. This was price range or consolidation. The price started playing up and down, playing around here, but because we didn't have uh, enough volume here, also the standard deviation didn't show us that move we're looking for. Guys, what you have to do, don't chase the price. If you chase price in your trade, you're gonna be a loser. That's what the market wants you to do, actually. But if you wait and set a trap for the price and wait for the price to go the way you want, not what the market wants you to do. You have to be patient. If you are not patient, you're not a good trader. You will never be a professional trader, trust me. So all we had to do is to wait and watch closely what we have as tools. We have several tools that help us detect and spot great moves, great trades. Here, the volume is quiet. Standard deviation is confirming that to us. And once the volume started going higher, also the standard deviation showed us that move, that what we want, that what we were looking for. A breakout of the moving average, a breakout of this level, because the price was playing around this level. You're gonna place your order right here, and then you set your trailing stop. Watch closely here what happened. The price made a pullback a little bit, didn't go all the way down here because there was a huge movement here. Watch the volume. Watch it. Watch the volume. See, the volume suddenly erupted. There was an eruption in the volume. That means there is huge momentum coming in, right? So the price flew up, made a pullback, and then continued to reach what we set as a target, a buy target, a bullish target, or as you may name it or call it. You see? So always maneuver, play with your trailing stop. Once you reach a higher point, get ready to get out of your trade and watch the volume here. Don't look at this move. This move, I don't care about it because I don't trade that way. I'm not chasing the price. This is my move I'm looking for. Okay, this is a confirmation. The green color, the breaking out of the moving average, volume, standard deviation, and then boom, that's what I'm looking for. After this, I get out of my trade, close my turn down, shut my computer, and go play soccer and whatever. Don't stay in the market. If you stay in the market, you're gonna be a loser. Watch here. All what you made here, you're gonna lose it here if you stay in the market. Unless you're gambling or something. I don't gamble. And I don't rely on chance or luck. Luck doesn't bring anything. This is real time. This is real stuff. You have to be serious about it. All right. So I hope this was uh, helpful. And thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.